Welcome back, everyone. I hope you had a great Friday. I hope you've got an amazing weekend lined up. We had a fantastic day. We knocked it out of the park. We're going to go over all the numbers. We're going to look at how the market did. We're going to talk some about crypto. We got a lot to get into, so let's get right into it. As always, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, but I am on here to show you what I'm doing, help you get through it, help you make more money, because that's why I'm on here. So, how did the market end up today? I thought we'd have a pullback, thought we'd have a sell-off. What happened? No. S&P closes 1.46% up. Dow Jones up 0.97, and the NASDAQ up 1.88%. The VIX was down right at 4.5%. Just a fantastic day in the market. Really held up all day. I was very happy to see it. Did not expect it, but happy to see it just the same. What did that mean for the stocks that we was holding? Let's get right into that. NVIDIA. We had NVIDIA yesterday. We had it at 175. Ran that all the way up to 182. Exited out at 182 for a solid 4% gain on that stock. And as great as that is, that was our worst play of the day. So we had Walmart, or let's get into impp first. I tried to average down on impp, did not break down to my buy range, which was at 40.5 cents. So I put a stop loss on what I had. I put a take profit. I had my take profit all the way up at 43.85. I'm sorry, 43.85. It hit it, cashed us out, made a solid 2-cent gain on that trade. Happy with that. That represented a 4.8% ROI on that trade, so not bad at all. Really happy with that one. Our Walmart that we picked up a couple of days ago, picked that up at $122, ran that up to $132 for a solid $10 a share gain, which represented 8.2%. Now that is some good numbers right there. Signature Bank that we bought, 175, sold that at 187 and a quarter for a 10 and a quarter dollars a share on that one. That represented a 7% gain. The numbers are just whopping, I'm telling you. Coinbase. Now we got into Coinbase. We rotated out of it yesterday. It dropped down. We got stopped out. We made great profit on it. Bought it right back up just a couple hours later. Sold that today. We was in that at 55.80. Sold it at 61.80 this morning for a solid $6 a share gain, which represented 10.7%. Now, that is a pretty impressive day. You take all those combined and put them together, that's a solid 6.9% ROI up on the day. That's just outstanding. Of course, you know it's Friday, so we're going to talk about it. What did we do for the week? Up a whopping 32.9% ROI on our trades for the week. Just had a fantastic week. I mean, I hope you were following along. Hope you got a piece of it. I seen some people in the comments talking about they got in on some of the positions. So super happy about that. The only position that we're still holding is Alibaba. Now, Alibaba did not do well. I bought Alibaba yesterday. I bought it again today. Average down, brought my average down to about $94. And we ended up closing the day at 89.37. So we're down about 4% on that trade currently. However, I'm not worried about it. If it pops next week like I think, it's going to pop back up over 100. Going to make really good money on that play. And if it continues to fall, I'll average down again. I'll bring that average on down. And when it does run, it's going to be a very, very nice play because we've seen Alibaba time and time again. When it pops 10-15% in a day. So I know that it's got the potential to drive up and drive up hard. So I think that I'm in a good position at $94. Like I said, down about 4% right now. However, if it pops, it'll be fine. If it drops a little more, I'll average down on it again. That's why I always tell you to break your money up. Never go all in at one price, because you never know. It could come on down. We average down, and that's how we make money day in and day out. So that's what we did in the stock market. Like I said, almost 33%. Fantastic week. I just sold my XLM crypto, made 20% on that trade. I'm still holding my Cardano. We bought it a few days ago at 45 cents. We're up to 52 cents. Now, so far, Bitcoin's still pushing forward. I'm holding it. However, if Bitcoin shows any weakness, I'm up over 15% on the Cardano play. I definitely don't want to see it drop down under 52. So anywhere between here and about 55, I'm going to be looking at taking that position out. But, you know, doing very well on that. And like I said, up 20% on our XLM play. That's really good numbers. So up in our crypto portfolio, up on our stock portfolio. I hope you had a great week. We're going to get into some things over the weekend. Make sure you don't miss out on my weekend videos. A lot of people, they tend to just follow me throughout the week for my stock picks, but I promise you, some of the best videos I've got for you, I post on the weekend. They tend to be a little bit longer. I only do one video Saturday, one on Sunday usually, and they tend to be a little longer, but more in depth. I really dive into whatever it is that I'm focused on and try to bring you some good, solid information. So be sure to catch me tomorrow. Until then, hope you have a great weekend. Be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.